Hey everybody, it's your girl Yvonne. I'm coming back to you with another haul video. I know I've been hitting y'all like back to back today, but I'm playing catch up. So I've been looking for a health and wellness company, but not anyone. I wanted something that was natural. You know, I'm trying to do more natural things. So I caught COVID and everyone in my house caught COVID. So that kind of made me start thinking about a lot of things, you know, with the immune system and stuff like that. So I was doing a lot of research. I was talking to my cousin. My cousin told me about a company that he gets his products from. It's like a shoppers club. So I went on, I heard a presentation where they talked about the products. I was impressed, but me being me, I had to do a lot of research. So I was researching, watching reviews, stuff like that, just to get more info on the company. So I went ahead and I signed up for the company. I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday, and I got my order today. So it only took a few days for me to get my order. So I'm going to show you what I got. And you know, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I got. And then at the end of 30 days, I'm going to come back and do a review on what I used. Some of the stuff in here I'm not going to use. I bought it for my daughter. So I'll get a review of that later when she comes home from college. So it comes in this box that says wellness on it. They do offer you a 100% money back guarantee. In the box, you get this little cardboard that says healthy homes and better health, and it lets you know that the wellness company offers over 400 wellness products for your home, your immune system, your body, your hair, everything, makeup, everything. So that's that. They also have other products that you could save money on. So they just kind of gave you some pamphlets for that, along with some must-haves for what they feel like are the essentials products that they offer. Then they gave me a welcome to the family note. Let's see. And it's just a letter from the CEO. I'm not going to read it because it's rather long. They send you a catalog for the company. So it lists all the different products that they have in the catalog with pictures and descriptions. So you can see it's really thick. So like I said, it's over 400 products. They also offer you a catalog for the beauty line that they offer. Because like I said, they offer makeup, skincare, everything. Then if you decide that you want to do this company as a business, they offer you the leadership catalog that tells you about that. Everything comes like they have this protective, like kind of bubble wrap stuff. I got all of mine from one particular area, which is body care. So they didn't divide mine up. But what I've seen is that when you have products from different like areas, like if you have beauty, home care, body care, they'll kind of give you a box and put dividers in the box. So that's good to know. So what I got was, I got the body wash set. It was 2 sets, a pack of 2. So one that I got is the Caribbean Coast. Let me see. I'm just gonna see how it smells, because you know, we know who we compare stuff to. It actually smells. It has a nice smell to it. I'm trying to catch what that's, but it has like a, it's not flowery though. It's like a, I don't know what kind of fruit that is, but it smells good. I like it so far. So I got that. And then I got the honey almond that actually has shea butter in it. So I was crazy about that. I'm a shea butter fanatic. So, oh, this smells real good. Oh, they blended that. They blended those scents really, really well. I like that. So these are the body washes. Again, you can either purchase them individually or you could purchase them in a pack. They do have other scents, but these are the two that I chose. So you could choose which two you want in the pack. Then I also got the lotions to go with them. So because I'm the type of person, I like to layer my scents. So I like to use the lotion, the body wash. I don't usually use body sprays because for some reason the chemistry in my body, it doesn't hold the scent well, which is why I don't wear perfume. But I got the two lotions, same thing. You could pick which two you want if you get the pack, or you could purchase each one individually. I also purchased, and I've been looking for this product for over a year. So I purchased one before, it did not work at all. So this is a natural deodorant. I got the Caribbean Sunset scent. So we're gonna see. I often wonder if it's the same as the body wash and stuff, but I don't know. Oh, this, ooh. It does have, they have similar smells, but this is good. So this deodorant does have, it looks like antiperspirant. I think it's antiperspirant. I don't know. So we'll see how it works. And then I have a daughter who has eczema, and she's in Alabama, and she's been having breakouts, but she says she haven't been able to find certain products. So I brought her, this is their line that's supposed to be really, really, really good for people with skin issues like psoriasis, eczema and stuff. So I pretty much brought her the whole kit. So you could buy each, again, product individually, or you could purchase them in packs. So I went ahead and brought the whole pack. So this is the hand wash. This is the body wash. And I purchased, no, just don't put it. So this is the body wash. The body wash has that, so you don't need a pump for that. Let me see how it smells though. Because I heard it smells good, so I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see, because everybody don't like the same smells, you know what I mean? Oh, it smells clean. Like, it's not too, it doesn't have too much of a, like a strong overpowering scent. It just smells clean. I like that. And then I purchased, this is the lotion. So I did have to purchase a pump. So because they don't want to use up too much like plastic and stuff like that, a lot of their products, like such as lotions, the hand wash, stuff like that, you purchase the pump separately. They're usually like $1. So you purchase them separately, so that way when you have to repurchase, you don't have to keep buying. Like, all you have to do is buy the bottle, if you get what I'm saying. And you use the same pump over and over. So it may seem small, but it's good for the environment, because the less material plastic they have to use, the better it is for the environment. So I like that. I also brought this pump, which I thought was for the hand cream, but it's the wrong pump. So I don't know. I guess I might, I don't know, I might use this for my lotion if it fits. I don't know if it fits, but I'll see. Then you get these two smaller travel sizes of the lotion. I'm going to actually keep one for myself and put it in my purse, and send her one so she could keep in her purse. So that's the full kit. And then I purchased, oh, and you also get, this is a bath oil. It has something, it has Melaleuca oil, which is basically tea tree oil. So I really don't even know what bath oils are. Oh, you just put it in your bath water. So you squeeze some in your bath water, and I guess it kind of makes your bath a little better. I don't know. I guess if you want to spoil yourself. I don't sit down in tubs, so I don't take baths, but I'll probably give this to either my mom or my older daughter who like to sit in tubs. They like to sit in tubs. I don't sit in tubs. I don't care who cleaned it. I also purchased their toothpaste, but they call it tooth polish. So they have ones that is that's fluoride free, and then they have the one that's fluoride. So these have different uses. So I purchased the pack of 3. I heard they really work. I heard that they help with different issues with your teeth. So I really am interested in trying these out. So this one is the Fresh Mint, and it's fluoride free. So if you're looking for a fluoride free toothpaste, you could try this one. It is Fresh Mint, and this one controls tartar, freshens breath, naturally whitens, and made with gentle plant-derived cleansers. That's that one. This one is also fluoride free. This is the cinnamon. So if you want fluoride free, you have options. This one controls tartar, freshens breath, naturally whitens, and also is made with gentle plant-derived cleansers. So both of these pretty much do the same thing. Okay. Then you have the spearmint, which has fluoride in it. This one, it prevents cavities, naturally whitens, and soothes sensitive teeth. So this one is mostly for if you have to prevent you from getting cavities, and if you have sensitive teeth, this is the one that you would choose, but it's also the one with fluoride. And it's made as well with gentle plant-derived cleansers. So that was what I purchased for my first one. I will be purchasing again next month because it, like I said, it's a membership. So you have to purchase a minimum in order to keep getting like the discounts. You have to purchase a minimum of 35 points every month. So, you know, that's just one of the rules of being in the membership. So I'm going to try these products out for 30 days, and I will come back and do a review to let you know what worked for me, what didn't work for me, what I liked, what I didn't like, things of that nature. I will also be doing an unboxing next month, because next month when I purchase, I'll be purchasing different products from the different area. So thank you so much for watching me on this haul. I know I don't get on camera, but I wanted to do this haul. Thank you so much for watching me. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have, thank you so much. Hit the notification bell so that you can get, you'll get notified whenever I upload another video. Also, comment, you guys. I love to read your comments and respond. I love the dialogue. And hit that like button so that we can get it up, get these numbers up. So thank you so much. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.